What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to buy and sell stocks on the brand new Questrade mobile trading application. Here's everything you need to know. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing that you need to be aware of is when you type in Questrade into the Apple, basically App Store, it's going to show you two different options, and we are looking for the one with the white icon that says Questrade Mobile. That is the brand new application, and the other one kind of links you back to the old platform. Now, the other thing you need to be aware of is that you do need to have a Questrade account, and if you're looking to open an account, if you use the link in the description to this video, they will give you $50 in completely free commission. So you can try it out, you can make some trades, it's completely free, it won't cost you a thing, and it's literally like Questrade is handing you $50 to get started. So definitely use that link if you're just getting going, but let's dive into the application here. So here, the one on the left hand side, that's what we're looking for, and when you click on it, you can log into your account and then it shows you this dashboard. As you can see, I have $93,000 worth of total equity on Questrade. Now, that money is split up between a couple of accounts. As you can see at the top here, it says all accounts. If you click this drop down menu, it will show you your different accounts. So for instance, I have an RRSP as well as a TFSA account, as well as a couple of margin accounts here on Questrade. And so this is a combination of everything. Now, this is the broad kind of overview dashboard and the home screen. And if you want to buy and sell stocks, it's super easy. It's one click down here to the buy and sell button, and then you just have to type in whatever security you are looking for. So for us, just as an example, let's look for Ford Motor Company. When you click on that, it's going to bring up a new page and you can see the price of Ford Motor Company right here. You can also see the price chart going across the screen, and you can set it to different time frames so you can see exactly how well that stock has done over different periods of time. As you scroll down, you've got some key statistics like the market cap, which represents how much the company is worth. You also have the highs and lows of the day and the 52-week high and low. And so lots of exciting information in there. You can also scroll over and get a little bit more information. And if you scroll down, you can see the different news releases and articles and press releases about Ford Motor Company. So that's very exciting. When you're ready to either buy or sell the security, all you have to do is hit the button down here on the bottom. So for us, we're going to click on buy. It's going to bring up a new screen, and here we have two different options. So the first option is a limit order, and the second option is a market order. A market order is going to execute your trade right away at whatever the best available price is. So no matter what, as soon as you hit that button, it's going to execute that trade at whatever the next person is willing to sell it at. Now, let's say that we want to buy Ford Motor Company, but the next person isn't willing to sell it except for at $17. If we only want to buy it at a maximum of $16.50, then we can use a limit order and we can cap how much we pay for this company. Now, Ford Motor Company trades an awful lot of volume, so obviously we don't need to set it that high, but let's make sure that we get in at a price of either $15.94 or $15.95. So we're going to use a limit order. I'm going to click on next, and here it is going to ask us how many shares we want to buy. So for us, in this example, we are going to buy 5 shares, just as a test so I can show you what it looks like. So then we're going to click on next, and it's going to ask us what we want to set, or what is the maximum price that we want to pay for this stock. Basically, it's asking, what do you want to set the limit at? And so for us, right now, what we want to do is set it up at $15.96. So the maximum price we're going to pay for Ford Motor Company stock is $15.96. We're going to click on next right here, and it is going to ask me if I know how my margin account works. Now, I don't have enough US dollars in my margin account, but I do have enough Canadian dollars in my margin account, and so it is going to borrow the US dollars against my Canadian dollars. I am well aware of that. I know that. That's okay. But if you're not aware of how margin works, you need to be very careful with that. And so here is my review order. As you can see, I'm looking to buy 5 of the ticker symbol F, that's Ford Motor Company, at a maximum price of $15.96 US dollars, and it is a limit order. Now the order duration here, this says until canceled. If I wanted to, I could change this to the day, and that means that if this order doesn't get filled today, I don't want it. I don't want it tomorrow. I don't want it after hours. I don't want it at all. I only want it if it gets filled today. If you don't want that to happen and you want to take Ford no matter what, if it gets to that price, then you can set it to good until canceled, and that will keep the order there as long as it is alive. Now, the estimated total for this is $79.80, and it's going to cost me $4.95 in commissions. And like I said, if you use the link down below, you get $50 in completely free commissions. So I highly recommend you take me up on that. Now, if I click send order here, it is going to execute this order, and you just heard the buzz on my computer. I have Questrade open, and it's basically alerting me that I've just bought 5 shares of Ford Motor Company. So that is very exciting. order has been placed, and now we're going to go to F orders. So let's go to Ford orders, and basically you can see my order right here. It says executed in green, and that's basically showing that I now own 5 shares of Ford Motor Company. Now, if I hit this back button right here, what it's going to do is it's going to take me back to Ford. I'm going to exit out of that, and now I am back on my dashboard here. Okay, so now if I want to check in on that position and I want to see how it's doing in my portfolio, all I'm going to do is go to the top here in the drop down menu, and I'm going to choose the account that it's in. For me, I just purchased those shares in the margin account. I have $16,000 in that account, and if I scroll down here, it's going to show me my position. So I own Etsy, I own Drone Delivery Canada, I own a couple of different companies, and here is my order for Ford Motor Company. So as you can see, we're currently down 12 cents on our 5 shares, and if you click on Ford Motor Company, it will bring up that exact same page. So that is how you check your status and see how you're doing. And if you want to sell those shares and get out of the position, all you do is click on that sell button, and you choose the exact same thing again, a limit order or a market order. For us, there's a lot of liquidity on Ford, so I'm not too worried about the price changing when I select market order. So for us, we're going to do that so I can show you exactly what it looks like. You select market order, and for us, we own 5 shares right now, so I want to sell that entire position, and I want to get out of that position. I'm going to click on next, and it is going to review this trade. Notice how it didn't ask me what limit I want to sell it at. That's because we placed a market order. Now, once I get to this page here, all I have to do is confirm the order, send it, and we are good to go. And there you go. You can hear the beep again from my computer. And so that is what it looks like when you buy and sell your different securities on the Questrade mobile application. As you can tell, it's super simple. It's super easy to use. And there are the 2 orders that we just executed. One was a limit order, one was a market order, and it's really easy to use. Now, the last thing that I want to show you here is the watch list. So we're going to go back to the home page here. We are going to go to all accounts, and then we are going to click on watch list. And so this is a really nice feature for keeping track of different types of industries or categories of stocks. And it's just a great, this is how I check my securities. This is how I keep an eye on different categories and different industries. And so here's my watch list. If you click the drop down menu there, you can choose all of the different watch lists that you build in Questrade. If you want to check out what watch list I'm using, just send me an email or shoot me a message. But let's say that we want to go to the graphene watch list, click on that, and now it is going to show me all of the different companies that I've put into my graphene watch list, and we can see exactly how they're doing. Zen Graphene is up 6% today. That's doing pretty good. But Nano Explorer is only up 50 or 0.5% today. They're not doing quite as well. And so this is a nice way to get a full snapshot of the entire industry. You do have to build your own watch list though, so it's something to keep in mind. And the last feature to show you is the news column right here. So I like to sort it by position. You can sort it by a couple different features, but I like to sort by position. And this is just a really easy way to skim through all of the different news for the companies that are either on your watch list or in your portfolio. And so you can go through all the different news, scroll back to your watch list here, or go all the way back to the main dashboard. And if you scroll down through the main page here, it will literally just give you a summary of all of your different positions and how they're doing and how much you own. And at the bottom, it'll give you a brief overview of the different markets. I do like this feature because you do need to know what direction the markets are going in before you start trading. And this just gives you a nice, easy look at it. So that is the walkthrough of the Questrade mobile application. I hope you got some value out of this video. Now, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how to actually invest your money, read the charts, and understand the financials, then definitely consider signing up for my Stock Market Fundamentals course. It is completely free and it's hosted on Skillshare. And if you use the link in the description to this video, you get 2 weeks of free access to the entire Skillshare platform where you can take my course as well as everybody else's course. Mine's 10 hours long and it will walk you through step by step everything you need to know to get started in the market and cancel that subscription in under 2 weeks. You won't pay a single penny for it. There's over 9,000 students that have gone through the course. There's over 340 reviews for you to take a read through, and I promise you it'll be the best free resource that you can find online. The link is in the description to this video. Definitely check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Good luck trading, good luck investing, and we'll talk to you soon.